Introducing a hydration that helps you feel better faster. It's called RecoverORS, and it gives your body recovery electrolytes. Call it the lifesaver. Best thing next to an IV. Get back to what's good in life hydration. Let me fill you in. It's 100% made in the USA, formulated by clinicians, and is backed by science. From triathletes to health gurus to exploratory eaters, everyone smart uses it. With RecoverORS, gone are the days of feeling miserable after Montezuma's revenge, sticking your head down a toilet, or suffering workout cramps. It's all a waste of life. Life better spent doing or this. Or this. Spend your life happy. RecoverORS. Pour, steer, and drink. Feel better faster and get back to what's good in life.